In today's video guys, I will be showing to you how you will be able to earn more money in Dogetrix for a minimum capital to start if you would like to, but this is entirely free. And if you haven't watched or if you haven't subscribed into my channel, do not forget to do it right now. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I do have 36,000 M Doge. So let me just collect this. Okay, as you can see, I do have 183,000 M Doge, which translates to 183 Doge. Okay, which also translates into $37. So probably you are thinking how I will be able to earn more money, okay, while not using any of your energy as well. So what I've done here is that I go into the staking pool, and then I am constantly leveling up my staking pools here, and into this, okay, you will be able, let's say here into a staking pool X, there is a staking period of 30 days, and absolutely after 30 days you will be able to get ×2 of your money just by collecting it every single day. Okay, so in staking pool X, you just need to collect it for every 12 hours and you're good to go. You do not need to collect it every single time than the free version. So if you are starting here, okay, probably you are in the you do not have a staking pool. Okay, this is the staking pool that you have, level 1. Okay, and if you're going to compare how many M Doge that you can get from staking pool level 1 up to my current standing, which is staking pool level X, you can see that this is times 50. Okay, even if you're going to get staking pool level 2, staking level 4, you're just going to pay small amount of money. You can even start for as low as $4, as low as $10, and even $20, depending on how much budget that you have, because you just need to have a Doge, and then you just going to transfer it into the pool, and after that the 30-day staking period will now start. Okay, so this is my first strategy. The second strategy that I'm doing is I am holding this M Doge that I have for this perpetual yield farming. The thing here is that if you are holding this, okay, you're holding everything, you're also going to get 1% of the net interest once a day. So what does it mean? Okay, 1% of your total balance, you will be able to get it via perpetual yield farming. Okay, so if you are looking to withdraw as well, it's a lot more better that you claim this perpetual first before you withdraw. But of course, if you've withdrawn your money, you're going to start at 0 M Doge, but of course the yield farming will go back to 0 as well. So this is the farm interest that I can collect later on, because this is just once a day. But if you're going to look forward here at the X1, at the X2, X5, you see here that it pays you 100 M Doge. This is paying 200, this is paying 300, this is paying 400, this is even paying 500 M Doge. Okay, so the good thing here is that if you change your staking pool, you have upgraded this, okay, you will get back all of the M Doge that you've got here if you are connecting it into a new staking pool. It is very clear into this part. Okay, so 100% money rebate is given when connecting to a new staking pool. So that is my exact strategy. I'm not going to make it harder for you. This is my withdrawal proof last few days ago. So I got 104 Doge. Actually, I can easily withdraw this, but I'm enjoying this passive income, so I won't withdraw it yet. So you see, I got 183 Doge here, which includes this part, which makes me around $60, which made me more than $25 per day. And you can see also the history into this part over here. So let me just show it to you. So this is the withdrawal that I have. So this is a 104 Doge last September 26. And if you're going to look forward here, okay, let me just click this real quick. Okay, so let's just say, let's click this part, and you see this, that I've actually made it. Okay, the transaction has been completed last September 27, which is probably exact time. Okay, So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.